What is ABRC? ABRC stands for Electronic Bank Realization Certificate. It is a digital proof of the receipt of payment against exports, issued by the bank and required to be generated on the DGFT, Directorate General of Foreign Trade, website by the exporter themselves. It has to be generated by importer self on https://www.dgft.gov.in. It serves as evidence that foreign exchange has been realized against a particular export shipment and is critical for claiming export incentives, like RODTEP, ROSCTL, etc., closing shipping bills with customs, complying with FEMA and RBI regulations. 1. IRM, inward remittance, outward remittance, IRM, inward remittance. This refers to the foreign currency received by the exporter in their bank account against an export order. ORM, outward remittance, used for payments made to foreign suppliers, but in the context of ABRC, IRM is more relevant. Banks report these foreign exchange transactions to the RBI and DGFT through an electronic platform. Each IRM gets a unique transaction reference (UTR) number. 2. Generating ABRC on DGFT website by exporter self. Although banks upload the foreign exchange realization data to DGFT, exporters must manually download the ABRC certificate by logging into the DGFT portal. Here's how you can generate it. Visit the DGFT portal, https://www.dgft.gov.in/log in with your IEC and password. Go to Services, right pointing arrow, Bank Realization Certificate, BRC, select View BRC, or Generate ABRC. Input details like IEC code, financial year, shipping bill number, port code, etc. Download the ABRC once it appears. Ensure the inward remittance details match. Important points: ABRC is mandatory for claiming export benefits, subsidies. Without it, DGFT and customs cannot verify that you've actually earned forex from your export. Banks must first upload the realization data to DGFT before you can generate the ABRC. Always cross-check that your bank has filed the correct details with DGFT.